Hey guys, we're back with another video. Today we're going to do the fart soundboard challenge. So basically one person will choose the fart sound. They'll tell you the name, like one will be fly swatter, and they'll play it, and if the other person laughs, then they have to have a drink of lemon or lime. And so, if you also if you laugh at the title,
yeah.
That's
so. Do you got like? Is it one drink? We both lost. You have to take one drink to laugh. Like if you laugh at the title in the front.
No, if you laugh at the title, then you get a drink. Even though if you laugh on the title.
You can laugh at all. It's whatever.
Yeah, then it's one drink.
Yeah.
All right.
Okay.
So I'm gonna hit this. Oh no. Okay. So I'll drink first. So go.
Okay. Bean diaper.
Bean diaper? Not what was that ending? That ending didn't sound good. I'm gonna get a lemon.
By the way, if you want to do this challenge, just download a simple fart sound board thingy, and that's all.
Ooh, that's sour.
Yes.
Alright. This one is Bam X Flax. Shoo! That's grody.
Does it count if you swell?
No. Alright, my turn.
Yay, I stuck myself on my Bowels of the Titanic. Instead of yes.
I guess the camera.
This is disgusting. Oh my goodness. Okay.
That was a mouthful.
Or should we say a butthole?
Lemon again. I'm scared of the lime.
No, it's disgusting.
Let me see. Butt madness.
That does not sound good.
That can't be tolerable.
It's still going, huh? I know. You're good.
It's natural. It's all natural. She's doing lemon, by the way.
Yep, lemon.
This lime right here, it may be little, but it is terrifying.
See here. Lemon.
How's that taste, homie? My turn. Alright, it's my turn.
By the way, I don't like lemon or lime.
I like lemons. I don't like lime. Well, I like lime, so I just don't like to drink limes. don't actually like drink.
Goo Goo Gaga.
That was short. It's talking. My turn. Here's Hinder Bender. Oh my goodness. That's gross. They need to go change their underwear.
Yes.
2 more each.
See here. Let's do Kazoo.
What? That is just not okay.
That is disgusting.
They just got some problems.
Yeah.
I think I can.
No.
Drink up.
Okay. I'm gonna do lime. Just so one of us does it.
I was gonna do it next round.
Then you better.
No. I'm kidding, I will.
Lemon still in my mouth.
So is it mine.
I'm gonna kill you. Okay. How about mudslide? That's so disgusting.
I'm terrified, actually.
It's so disgusting.
I'm not gonna do it.
I don't think I did either.
Oh! That ain't. That's gross. That's just. This is called I don't know. Here, one more time.
Say hi, anything.
It's like gross. But for the finish, we're gonna go with gravy.
Dude! Good you.
Alright, that's it. Make sure you give us a big thumbs up and subscribe and leave a comment below of what we should do next. Alright, that's it for us.
2 losers make a winner.